As part of our farmers market business, we get jams as a local product from an Amish family that makes it at their home, their facility on their home. And we keep it in this building that we call the produce house. With making the floor, we have to move everything around so that we can put the new subfloor down across here, and it's creating quite a bit of work. But
There's only long enough to hit joists, are they?
No, we're just going for
the other floor. Let me see what you've done.
I think we'll put 5 across and about 2 foot apart, maybe 1.5 feet.
5 across, lengthwise?
5 across that way. Jeremiah's drilling the holes and Jan's putting screws in the holes, starting them, and then I screw them down with the drill because I can't see the holes to put them in it. So Jan has to do that.
at the back of the building we had a soft spot, so we used the skill saw and cut a rectangular shape out of here. We're putting a board across there to put a new piece in for stability that will be underneath the particle board that we're going to put in here. When we bought the supplies, the particle board and the paint, we thought we could get by with 1 gallon of paint, but it's turned out it's only going to be half as much. That particle board seems to soak it up quite a bit, and we're putting 2 coats on. So I'm at Lowe's getting another can of paint. Hi, Cheyenne.
Hi.
I need another can of this paint. If you could get it for me and shake it up.
All right, that's no problem. I'll grab it right away.
All right.
Did you want this one shaken up as well?
Can you do 2 at the same time, or would it? Yeah, that would be great.
All right. Latex light gray, so we'll give this a good shake.
Well, that was easy.
Yeah. And we'll shake for 2 minutes.
All right, thanks, Cheyenne.
No problem.
We're working together today to, we've got half of it painted. We're moving everything off of the unpainted half, putting it back where it goes, so that we can paint the other half. And I've got helpers helping me out today.
Well, I'm washing the walls and the ceiling and trying to get things cleaned up where we can put all the stuff in there back where it goes. Have a nice clean kitchen or storage room for the veggies or whatever.
Well, you're sure making it look a lot better. I'm washing a lot of dirt off of there.
This one's broken.
If they're brown, David, they go on the top shelf. Is that a brown label?
for the farm.
Okay, good job. Be good helpers.
Well, we have most everything moved out of the front of the building to the floor space that we have in the back half painted, and the walls washed up halfway. And so we got to vacuum the floor and paint it now, and then we'll be closer to finished. We'll have to paint the floor one more time and wash the front half of the walls and the rest of the ceiling. Amen.
Well, we've got a nice pretty floor here in our produce house. It's all painted light gray, and I'm really happy with that. The walls are clean, the ceiling has been washed.